Haha, look where we're at. We are at a car show in Shenandoah. Look at that beast.
You know what? That's when I'm going, because then I can just save the video.
Yeah, I know a video. Look, this.
Save the video.
No, but you can later.
No, if you don't stop, he's not going to do that.
So?
Problem.
If they're nice enough, they
If
will.
you have it on live, it's not going to let you save it later.
It's not live. That's a night. Ain't that the one that was at that? No, never mind.
Why is my phone not?
That thing's beautiful, yo. Checkers door. What?
Mom's stalking people. Come here for a minute.
Why?
Because I'm trying to get my phone to work. It's 2021, right? Yeah.
No, it's 2019. That's a nice bike. I like that. That's fucking nice.
Starting live. I give up and went back to my pictures. I'm trying to figure out why my phone is dark.
Oh, you gotta turn the thing up.
Brightness is all the way up.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's something. Mine's like that too. It's an auto dimmer.
Little easy color.
That's a nice ass green. Nova. 35.50. 350. Ooh. Suzuki 28. I like that one. Oh, hell no, there we go. Ooh, Mustang. No.
Ouch.
Look at them speakers in that thing. Ooh.
Hey, it's let me do notifications. Maybe it'll do it.
Yeah, maybe. Look at the Beetle. It's a Beetle. It's a Beetle.
See you later, Roy.
Oh. Oh shit. I gotta wait for her.